So let's talk about infinity a little bit. Infinity is a number. You are welcome to say it is a number. The reason why it's not often told to people that it's a number is because it's not a real number. And that's not to mean it's not realistic. It's to mean it doesn't belong on the real number line. The real number line, remember, are our lengths. There's no such length as forever length, right? We could not possibly try to cut that down and imagine it. So the infinity is a number, but it's a number that represents forever. So the way you can draw it, if you'd like a reference for it, is you can sketch your normal number line. And you got your 0 and your 1 and your -1, etc. You can think of it like that. And then we all know the number line goes on forever. So you can kind of put on a little bit of like foreverness here. And you can think of infinity not so much as a number, but more as a boundary. Think of it as a boundary. So you can sketch an infinity here as a boundary. And beyond that boundary, you have the infinite. And below that, you have the finite. So our finite numbers are going to be our real numbers, the ones that we can actually have as a good answer for the end of an equation. But our infinite numbers, this is the realm that's giving us so much grief. This is where we just found that there's an infinite size that describes the irrationals that is bigger than the size that describes the rationals, even though both of them are in the realm of forever. So there's a different ranking that's up there. It's not on a line. It's not something that can be compared to the line easily. If we want, we can think of a negative infinity down here. That's totally fine as well. And again, beyond that, you've just got the negative infinite. Okay. So that's why we can't do infinity plus 1. It doesn't exist on the number line. Plus 1 on the number line means move up 1 on the number line. Times 2 on the number line means take the number line and stretch it like a rubber band till it's twice its length. That's what times 2 means. It takes 2, moves it to 4. It takes 4, moves it to 8. Like that's what happens when we do multiplication. So if we're talking about the infinite, it doesn't behave by those rules. It's off that number line.